In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress errors on Hostinger step by step. If your website suddenly stops working, shows a critical error, or you see a white screen or plugin conflict message, don't worry because most WordPress errors can be fixed quickly using the tools inside the Hostinger dashboard. I'll walk you through the exact process to troubleshoot the issue, update your site properly, and restore your website if something goes wrong. This method works for most common WordPress problems, including plugin conflicts, theme issues, corrupted files, and memory limit errors. So if you're using Hostinger hosting and your WordPress site is not working correctly, this guide will help you fix it. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to log into your Hostinger dashboard. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then sign in to your hosting account. Once you're inside the Hostinger control panel, look at the left side menu and click on Websites. This section shows all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website that is having the WordPress error and click on WordPress Admin. This will open your WordPress dashboard where you can manage your site directly. Once you're inside the WordPress admin area, the first thing you should do is check for updates. Outdated software is one of the most common causes of WordPress errors. Go to the Update section and update your WordPress core version if an update is available. After that, update all installed plugins and themes. Keeping everything updated ensures compatibility and fixes many bugs that can cause errors on your website. After updating, check if the error on your website has been fixed. If the issue is still there, the next step is to check recently installed plugins or themes. Many WordPress errors happen because a new plugin or theme conflicts with another part of your website. Go to the Plugin section in your WordPress dashboard and look for any plugins that you recently installed or updated before the error started appearing. Try disabling those plugins one by one and refresh your website after each change. If the error disappears after disabling a specific plugin, you found the cause of the problem. You can then delete that plugin or replace it with a different one. The same process applies to themes. If you recently changed your WordPress theme, switch back to a default theme like 2024 and see if the issue is resolved. Now, if the error still continues, the next step is to check your website files using Hostinger's File Manager. Go back to the Hostinger dashboard, open your website settings and click on Files, then select File Manager. Inside the File Manager, open the folder called public_HTML. This is where your WordPress website files are stored. Look for missing, corrupted, or incorrectly edited files, especially if you recently modified code or installed something manually. Sometimes replacing damaged files or re-uploading core WordPress files can fix the problem. Another common reason for WordPress errors is running out of PHP memory. To fix this, go back to the Hostinger dashboard and open the Advanced section. Then click on PHP Configuration. Here you will see the PHP memory limit settings. If your website is running many plugins or heavy themes, increasing the memory limit can solve performance issues and critical errors. Increase the value if needed and save the changes. Finally, if none of the previous steps fix the problem, you can restore your website using Hostinger backups. Hostinger automatically creates backups for most hosting plans. To restore your website, go to Files in the Hostinger dashboard and click on Backups. Choose a backup version from before the error started happening and restore your website. This will roll your site back to a working version and remove the issue. And that's how you fix most WordPress errors on Hostinger using the dashboard tools. By updating WordPress, checking plugins and themes, reviewing your files, increasing PHP memory, and restoring backups, you can solve the majority of problems quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix your website, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful WordPress and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.